check this out. I'm gonna show you this house that is a log home. Isn't that cool? I've noticed in over 26 years of selling real estate that people either really love log homes or they're kind of like, I don't need it. But so those of you who love log homes, check this out. It's totally cool. We're in Incline Village. We are at 951 Dorcey, which is up on the top of the mountain. So the location is very quiet up here. It's with the beautiful, beautiful views of the canyons out here. It's a magnificent, but you're gonna get quite a bit of snow. But check this out, the way the roof line and everything's designed, it's gonna be great. So this house is listed for $2.5 million. It's about 2,318 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and I think you're gonna love it. So let's go check it out. Before we go inside, I want you to notice all the beautiful river rock and natural rock in the entryway. Isn't it gorgeous? And I like that they kept the rustic theme going throughout the house, because nothing worse than going into what you think is going to be a log home and has kind of modern inside to it. So they kept it rustic in here. It looks great. I love it. And what I would love to do for you is help you get more information on making your move to Incline Village or the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. So I'm Tahoe Tony. My Nevada license number is 144620. I'm the managing broker for eXp Realty in Incline Village, Nevada. And every day my team and I get emails, text messages, and phone calls from people just like you who are looking to make the move to Incline Village, Nevada. So if you're looking to make the move in 6 days, 6 weeks, or even 6 months, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and we'll get you started. And I guarantee it'll be the best real estate experience you ever had. So let's check this home out. So inside the house, you can see we've got a nice rustic entryway. We've got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths downstairs and the garage. Then upstairs, we've got a nice, great room. You're gonna love it, with some decks and a master bedroom. It's fantastic. So let's go check it out. So here we are inside the great room of the log home. Isn't this neat? I love it. I love the logs, the beams. I mean, you're in Tahoe, right? The great forest. So great room for entertaining. This is the great room for entertaining. It's a great room and it's great for entertaining. So anyway, I'll let you think about that as I work on it. So love the little wet bar here. You can put all your liquors out and your glassware. It helps, take some of the pressure off the kitchen. I love it. We've got this beautiful, inside the middle of the great room, we've got this nice fireplace that has been very well taken care of. It's a gas fireplace with the river rock, the mantle. I love it. Just has that nice rustic Tahoe-y feel, doesn't it? And then we've got open beams up here. I don't know if those are real or just decorations, but they look awesome. Even if they're just decorations, they look awesome. So this is the great room, very comfortable. A lot of windows, a lot of natural light coming in here. I love it. And what I love is you don't see a lot of houses either. So it's kind of very private. Not exclusively private, but I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, maybe like a 7.5. So let's check out the kitchen. Again, I like that the kitchen opens up to the great room. So if people are checking things out, you're right here. If you're working on feeding everybody can hang out. You've got a nice big fridge, your microwave's here, double sink. Your oven's right here in the middle, so if you're cooking away, you're making eggs for everybody in the morning, whatever, that's all right there. Got your little, I love these, the little coolers for your wine and sodas and everything. It's great. Good use of cabinet space. I like the granite. Got a little dining room here. And then the pine cone chandelier, I love it. Got a TV on this side, so it works out. So all in all, very nice room. And then of course, my favorite part is the deck. So let's go check out the deck. So we've got a nice deck. As you see, it gets lots of sunshine. And check out the view. It's just great with trees, so peaceful. I love it. I mean, I could imagine sitting out here with my wife, having a glass of wine, talking about our day. It's just, Tahoe's so great. I love it. And just having a deck like this is fantastic. And then this wall behind my videographer it's a beautiful log wall. Check this out, it's great. And we've got a nice little dining table out here as well. So super fantastic deck. I love it. And there's actually more decks, so this isn't the only one, but this is the biggest and the best. Now this is a bedroom. This is the master bedroom, right? We got the logs, we got this beautiful views of the canyons out there. It's massive in size, I love it. Huge king size bed, big headboard, I love it. We go into the nice big bathroom here. Very comfortable, we've got dual sinks. We've got a nice shower and a large, I always call it a cannonball tub because that's what I want to do, but it's a jetted tub in there. And yes, a little bit dated with some of the fixtures, but that's so easy to fix. I would not let that slow you down from getting a beautiful house. This is fantastic. A great master bedroom. There is a deck out here as well. And this is the kind of deck that you get up in the morning, you grab your coffee, and you just sit out here, and you're overlooking this canyon, which is just massive, and that's all federal land out there. So it's like a mixture between U.S. Forest Service, Nevada State land, and IBGID. IBGID is our town land. So you can sit out here and just wake up in the morning. It's just such a great way to start the day. I love it. And there is a walk-in closet as well. We do have a walk-in closet is here as well. So not the biggest closet in the world, but if you've got a log cabin, you don't have to have a bunch of different clothes, right? Because you got a log cabin. I don't know, I just made that up. Doesn't really make sense, does it? But that's all right. So this is the master bedroom. Let's go check out downstairs. We've got 3 more bedrooms, 2 baths, and the garage. So here on the entryway, I love it. We've got slate floors, which are almost bomb-proof. It's like, you can hardly tell when they're dirty, which in the wintertime, you know, with snow and stuff, I love it. You don't even have to worry about it. We've got storage under the stairs, which I love. You can never have enough storage. The garage is right here. We'll get to that later though. Coming down this hallway, we've got a little linen closet here. We've got a walk-in laundry room here. It's not a massive laundry room, but it's great for this house. It's only a 2,300 square foot house. So that laundry room, I think, is gonna be perfect for that. We've got another little linen closet here, and we've got a really nice, good sized bedroom right here. We've got 2 little closets, really good size. Like if I had guests in my house, this is probably where I'd have them stay because it's a pretty spectacular room. Again, you're looking out views of just forest. We've got a nice deck out there. We've got a hot tub, and there is a door, which, you know, if you've got teenagers, be careful because they could easily sneak in and out. So it's probably not the best house if you've got teenagers, but they're gonna love it. So anyway, we've got a nice bathroom here. It's got a shower, a sink and toilet, and it's got 2 doors. So if you're coming in from the other way, you can access it here and access it there. So it's great, I love it. So as we go down the hallway more, there's 2 more bedrooms. So there's 1 bedroom here that they're using as an office. And it looks small, but it's not. It's actually a pretty good sized bedroom here. Again, we've got ceiling fans, we've got light for outside, a decent sized closet. We've got another room here, which is a little bit smaller, and they're using it as their workout room, which I love. Got a TV, so you can jam on the treadmill and check out the TV at the same time. Again, we've got a deck out here with the door and access to the hot tub. So very comfortable, I love that. I love having doors in the room so you can go out like you got a little dog or something. And then this bathroom would facilitate these 2 rooms since that other bedroom has its own bath. So we've got 2 sinks here, and this is a little bit bigger bedroom. You've got a full tub and shower in there as well. So if you need to wash little ones, whether little dogs or little people, you've got a great place to wash them. So this is the downstairs. Let's go check out the garage. So when you're up at this elevation, it's really nice having a garage. So we've got a nice 2-car garage here. Check out this trike. It does not come with the property. Sorry about that. We've got a nice Harley trike there with a trailer, which looks like a lot of fun. I love all the racks on the wall. We've got storage up here. We've got mountain bikes hanging up here. So very typical Tahoe home with all your toys. You need storage because you're doing so many things outside. It's great. So again, I always talk about that, having the utilities someplace easy accessible. They're great here. They look like they're in great shape, very well maintained, got all the necessary straps on everything. That's awesome. A little more storage here. And all in all, I would give this garage like an 8.5 out of 10. Very well designed, I like it. We're on the back deck, the back lower deck, and they've got a beautiful hot tub out here. They've got a nice patio and chairs over there. It's great. You got a little bit of storage under here. They really maximized the value on this house. They did a great job. They even got kayaks hanging up out here. So obviously these people are very active doing all the Tahoe sports. I love it. And then nothing better than after a hard day of skiing or hiking or kayaking, whatever, just sitting in the hot tub and relaxing. It's great. So this is a great log home. They've done a great job taking care of it. They've maximized all the value as far as the storage and having room for all the toys and everything. It's great location, like I talked about. Government-owned lands over there, like a mixture of U.S. Forest Service, state, and good lands. So it's beautiful over there. Super quiet street. This street just kind of comes around, so not a lot of traffic on this street. I love it. You are at higher elevation though, so you're gonna get a decent amount of snow here. So check out some of these pictures, some of my older videos of how much snow you get up here. So be prepared for that. You're gonna get a really nice house in a really great neighborhood, but you're gonna have a lot of snow in the wintertime. But this driveway is great. It's gonna get a lot of sunshine. The roof line is shedding the snow away from your driveway, so you don't have to worry about that. Looking at this 2-car garage, you can put your big car on this side. On the other side, you're gonna have to have the smaller car because you've kind of got to go around there, but they've got all the utilities and stuff there, so you can't change that. So I can easily get my smaller car in there and then my bigger SUV on this side, not a problem. And you have more parking on this side, which is great. So if you had a smaller boat or jet skis or something, you can park them here and still be able to fit in your room. So hope you love this house. I hope you love this tour. If you're love the video, go ahead and subscribe below, click on the notification bell, and you'll be the first one notified when I put out a new video on the real estate market for the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe.